Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, hello guys. In this video, we're gonna talk about Indonesian culture and Australian culture. But let us introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Gibran Rahmani with ID student F1D1 25025.
And my name is Nabil Christian with student ID F1D1 25051.
My name is Evan Calvin. My ID student is F1D1 25013.
My name is Indonesia Aprilia. My ID student is F1D1 25069.
So, let's go. First, background. Culture plays an important role in shaping how people live, think, and communicate. Every country has its own cultural identity that reflects its history, belief, and lifestyle. Indonesia and Australia are two neighboring countries with very different background. One rich in traditional custom, the other known for its modern and diverse society. By comparing these two cultures, we can learn to appreciate difference, find similarity, and build better international understanding. First, geography and lifestyle. Indonesia is a tropical country made up by many islands, while Australia is a large continent. Indonesia, also known, have 9,000 islands that also make Indonesia have very much differential. And Indonesia often live in crowded city or rural village, while Australia enjoy more open space and outdoor activity. Food and culture. Indonesia food is spicy and full of flavor. Because in Indonesia we have a lot of spice that also make Indonesia full of flavor. But Indonesia also known that has the spiciest food in the world. Because Indonesia love chili. As you guys know rendang, that's from Indonesia, Sumatera Barat. But Australian have a mixed Western and multicultural food dish. Australia eat bread or cereal for breakfast, while Indonesia eat rice.
Okay, now the education system. First, let's talk about the structure. In Indonesia, the system is 6 years of elementary school and 3 years of junior high school and 3 years of senior high school. Meanwhile, in Australia, they study at school in elementary school for 6 years, and after that, they study for 6 years in senior school. In Indonesia, students usually wear uniform and focus on exam. Meanwhile, in Australian school, encourage creativity and practical learning. We can say that Indonesian is more based on the books, and the Australian is more based on the creativity of a student. So it's more freely and educated. In Australia, each state and territory has its own education system, which is make the school really flexible in teaching their student. And while in Indonesian, the center of the education system is the government. So it's only one that controls the curriculum.
festival and traditional. Indonesia celebrates culture and religious festival like Independence Day and Idul Fitri. Idul Fitri is a joyful Muslim festival that marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. It is time for forgiveness and togetherness. People celebrate by praying, visiting family and friends, and sharing delicious food and sweet. It is a day filled with happiness and peace. Australia Australia Day, Anzac Day, and Christmas. Anzac Day is a national day of remembrance in Australia and New Zealand. It honored the soldiers who fought and died in wars, especially to those who suffered in Gallipoli during World War I. Both countries enjoy national celebration with food and family gathering.
In conclusion, Indonesia and Australia geographically is very so close. So, notables contract in terms geography, culture, economy, and social structure. Indonesia have a lot of islands, has a different cultural identity shaped by its long history, tradition, language, and ethnic groups. Meanwhile, Australia with its large landmass and relative small population. Economically, Australia is considered a highly developed country with strong industry in education, mining, and technology. On the other hand, Indonesia continues of growth as developing nation with great potential in natural resource, agriculture, tourism, and manufacturing. Despite their difference, the relationship between Indonesia and Australia remains strong and cooperative. Both countries benefit from trade partnership, tourist exchange, educational collaboration, and political dialogue. Students from Indonesia often pursue higher education in Australia, while Australia gains cultural and economic advantage from maintaining good diplomatic relations with Indonesia. Ultimately, each country has its own strengths and challenges. Indonesia offers cultural richness, biodiversity, and growing workforce, while Australia provides technology advancement, stable institutions, and high-quality social service.
So that's the different Indonesian culture and Australian culture. We know that Indonesian and Australian culture have a different about food, lifestyle, and education, but we can we can study about culture that they have, so we can have a contribution in make world better place. So that's from us about culture, Indonesia and Australia. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you guys that watch this video can learning something about Indonesian culture and Australian culture. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi